and welcome back to the Art of Science, where we make science and art awesome. Today, we're going to be looking at mitosis. Now that's cell division. Cell division is how we get one cell and turn it into two cells. And it's kind of really important to understand the rest of the biological concepts. So stick around, because we're going to do a nice little art project where we're going to explain cell division.
The first phase of mitosis is the prophase. This is where the chromosomes condense to become smaller, and we're able to see them. Next is the nuclear envelope fragments. Now if we can just get this out of the way right here now. It's so heavy! And now the chromosomes condense further, like so. The centrioles move on opposite ends of the cell. Next, microtubules extend from the centromeres. These microtubules extend from each centromere towards the middle of the cell. These microtubules will push the chromosomes towards the center of the cell, like this, and that will bring us to the metaphase. Metaphase is the longest of the prophase phases, as the chromosomes come together and meet in the middle of the cell. Now pay attention, this is where things get a little bit more complicated. Anaphase is the shortest of the phases, but a lot of stuff happens in here too. First off, the microtubules extend back into the centromeres. And these will drag the chromosomes back towards each individual centromere. I.e., for example, our two green ones are going to go over here, and our red ones are going to go over there. As the chromosomes head back to their designated centromeres, it is important to remember that once the chromosomes reach each centromere, that means each end of the cell will have a complete and duplicated set of chromosomes. Which means that when the cell eventually divides, you'll have two cells with the same amount of chromosomes as their parent cell. This explains why you don't lose chromosomes when cells multiply, and how we can keep being humans with our designated pair of chromosomes. Now the chromosomes uncondense or become larger, and we can still slightly see them here, but eventually they do go back to their original size, and we can no longer see them without the aid of a powerful microscope. In telophase, the chromosomes become smaller and the nuclear envelopes reform over each pair of chromosomes. And then cytokinesis occurs, and the two cells split. And we now have two cells from one, and that's mitosis, everybody.
Well, that was mitosis, cell division. Hope you learned a lot today. Join us again tomorrow where we'll talk about food chains. Bye!